Do you know how many sales a viral TikTok video ad can generate? However, hiring someone to shoot a video like that starts at a minimum of several $100s and takes several days to complete. Meanwhile, your competitors are already using AI to mass-produce video ads. Today, I'm going to do a hands-on demonstration using a lint roller. First, I'll find a viral TikTok video.
Feel the sunshine vibes, they're blowing. Catch the rhythm, keep it flowing. Happiness, yeah, it's showing.
Select the target video and clone it. Let's see the results. Similarly, you only need to upload a single product image to generate a set of branded promotional images ready for publication.
This is the moment where love is found. Let the light kiss your face. Let the rhythm find its place. Every heartbeat's a parade. Happiness will never fade. Feel the sunshine vibes, they're
Starting with just a single product image of a lint roller, we generated a ready-to-run video ad plus 6 UGC-style product images, suitable for use on product detail pages, social media posts, and as ad creative, all in under 5 minutes. If you want to generate video ads for your own products, the link is in the video description.